Postcards from Buster is funded in part by a ready-to-learn television cooperative agreement from the U.S. Department of Education through the Public Broadcasting Service.
Hey Buster, where you up to? What you up to, Buster? Where you up to now? Where you gonna be? Who you gonna see there? Let's find out whose hands will shake. See the things you've done? We could have some fun there. Let's find out what friends will make. Buster, where you up to? What you up to, Buster? Where you up to now? Yeah. Ring around the globe from North Pole to South Pole. Riding on horses, ferries, trains, and planes. Hiking, biking, swimming at the seashore. He's got his camera and he's gonna explore all the new things he's never done before. Yeah. Hey, Buster, where you up to? Yeah. What you up to, Buster? Where you up to now? Hey, Buster, where you up to?
Among the Hmong.
Yeah!
Spider! Hairy spider! Giant hairy spider! Buster, are you okay? I dreamt I was in Madison, and there was a giant spider about to attack me, and no one was there to save me.
I wonder what the dream was really about.
What do you mean?
You know, Freud would say the spider's just a symbol for something in your real life that's troubling you.
Maybe you have a project due and the deadline is looming.
Or maybe the spider represents a friend you're having an argument with.
Or maybe there's just a 100-foot-tall hairy spider in Madison.
Do you want us to go get your dad?
No, thanks. It was just a dream, right?
Right. Madison will be great, I promise.
Yeah, there's a Southeast Asian festival, lots of cool music, food, dancing.
Did you say food?
I sure did. Listen to this. If you don't say hello to a person you don't know, that person will remain a stranger. And if you don't explore where you've never been before, you don't know that it's no danger. So long, friends and kin. And hello to Madison. What you doing? How you been? It's good to see you. Come on in. It's great to feel at home in Madison. Other folks throughout the years have overcome their fears and left the home they had for someplace new. I'm alone, but I'm not lonely. On my own, but I need only wear a grin to feel at home in Madison.
The shredded stuff is green papayas, and now she is slicing tomatoes in there.
Papaya salad, Hmong sausages. Wow, Dad, this festival is great.
You wanna try some?
You bet. Dad, I think we need to go to some more food stands.
Buster, we've been going to nothing but food stands. Aren't you full yet?
Ah, Dad, all my eating has just been research.
Research?
I'm making a documentary called The Foods of Asia.
Well, let's finish these sausages first, and then we'll see if we can get a cool drink. It's pretty hot out.
Hey, maybe we can use one of those to cool us down. I'll be right back. Excuse me, do you know if I can buy one of those fans?
No, they're for a dance.
What kind of dance uses fans?
Bang dance.
Oh, I guess that makes sense. My name's Buster. What's yours?
My name is Caitlin Vang. I'm Diane Vang. My name is Tiffany Yang.
My name is Jocelyn Vang.
My name is Rose Yang. Amanda Vang.
Hey, wait a minute. All you guys are related.
Yes. Yeah.
That's a lot of Vangs.
We even live on Vang Lane.
You have a street named after your family?
Yeah.
Wow, it's like a whole clan. I wonder what Baxter Lane would look like.
Oh, they're the Baxters.
Hi, Grandma. What you doing, Great Uncle Fred?
Cookies and lemonade, Buster?
You bet, Cousin Gert. Hi, Auntie Flo. Great to see you, Nephew Nate. Hey there, second cousin twice removed on my mother's side, Henrietta. Gee, I can hardly imagine being part of such a large family. I've only got my mom and dad, and I don't even get them at the same time.
Hey, Buster, you want to watch one of our rehearsals?
Sure.
Okay, girls, I want you guys in your position for the beginning part, and then I want Tiffany to count, okay, Tiffany? 1, 2, 3, extension.
Hey, Buster, there you are.
Hey, Dad.
What's going on?
These are the Vangs. Apparently, there's this big dance tournament they're competing in.
When you guys are not using your hands and you guys are just standing, I want you guys to move your feet. Remember, you guys keep forgetting.
Hey, you know how for the Olympics they do profiles of the athletes? I could do one of those with the Vangs.
I thought you were gonna do the foods of Asia.
Ah, this is much better. A sports piece. I can track their progress from their humble beginnings all the way to winning first place. Okay, I'm starting this whole thing again. To the casual observer, this festival may seem to be all about food. Sausages. But in fact, the buzz of competition is all around us. Is it volleyball? It's definitely not soccer.
It's called Spectacra.
Spectacra? How do you play?
You can use your knee, your feet, your shoulders, but you can't use your hand. You can also use your head. Sometimes you can use your chest. And then you can use your knee. And then you can use your head. It doesn't matter how you do it. You just have to keep the ball up.
Hey, I need my slow-mo function for that. Really hard.
Oh, it's not that hard, but it takes time. You have to practice hard. You have to like the sport. It's pretty much like dancing. You know, the more you practice, the better you get.
And no one understands that better than the dancers themselves. The air is thick with tension here at the festival, for even more than Spectacra, the most highly charged competition of them all is the dance tournament.
Pretend that you're tossing something and receiving it, okay? Put a little act into it. Our dance is a traditional Hmong dance. It's about boys and girls meeting each other. They do some harvesting together.
I always start on the left. You should be starting on the right.
Do you argue a lot about what moves to do?
I don't really know what it's called. I just call it, like, practice. Like,
Call it fighting.
no, it's not called fighting.
Pretend that you're having fun, okay?
This competitive spirit just might net these girls the grand prize.
Well, I just think of it as, like, talking to each other to make it perfect. Yeah, just talking together to make it perfect.
1.
Yes, viewers, these girls want to win me. It's my plan. Oh, I don't have a clown. Type team.
Too much noise.
Is it my imagination, or do a lot of people live here?
This is my uncle.
Hi, I'm Buster.
My name's Dua.
Dua?
Dua.
Yeah, Dua.
It's a funny name. This is my brother, and this is my cousin Roger.
Wow, so there's 10 of you living in this house, and you have more family just down the street? You must never get lonely. And you all go to school together?
At school, they call us by our American name, and then at home, since there's a lot of Hmong people, we're called by our Hmong name.
What's a Hmong name?
Kalum Behu Achi.
What does that mean?
What's your name?
But what language is that?
It's called Hmong.
Okay, I've had Hmong sausages and seen Hmong dances, but I guess I still don't really know what Hmong is.
Hmong is a group of villagers that lives in Laos. And then we moved into the Thailand refugees and came to America.
Come on, Buster. We're gonna go to my garden. We're gonna pick some vegetable for the barbecue.
So, Mrs. Vang, what do you think makes the Vang dancers such potential winners in the tournament?
I keep telling my girls it's not about winning.
But they are going to win, aren't they?
It's about doing the very best and feeling good at it, and I think that's more important than, winning.
Okay, so far, no sign of a high-tech training facility, and a mother who thinks winning isn't the most important thing. Maybe the secret to the success of the dancers is somewhere in this garden instead. Is there anything, special about those beans?
I can fix them for dinner if you guys like. I'm gonna do it in a salad, and then I'm gonna saute it. We're gonna go and pick cucumbers now that we have the beans and the corn.
I can't wait to eat all of this. Arthur was crazy. There aren't any spiders around here. How do you know when they're ready to pick?
They have to be big like this, not little tiny ones. Like this this one. That's not ready.
Hey, this is like the basket dance you guys were rehearsing earlier, only this time with real food. Wait a minute, where are we going? What is that? It looks like some sort of home for giant insects.
You can see like a hen down there.
What are you doing with chickens?
Most Hmong family that lives out in the country or lives in a farm, they usually grow chickens. Come on, Buster, let's go back to the house.
That looks good. What is it?
This is barbecue ribs, spare ribs. This is special Hmong food. We're pre-marinated with some soy sauce and special sauce.
I bet you're hoping your daughters win the dance tournament, right?
I'm very excited about them being able to pull something together and able to compete.
I don't always like beans, but I bet you're making them with some secret recipe. You know, to help the girls dance.
I'm cooking it for my in-laws. The Hmong people, when they're older, they prefer vegetables boiled. And this we call a zhou basically means bland vegetables.
Oh. Well, I guess it's nice just having older relatives around who you can cook for. Wow, all this food must give the girls their competitive edge. This food would give me a competitive edge.
See how fluffy that is?
Dad, I'm getting some great shots of fluffy rice here.
Yeah, but I thought you were doing a sports piece.
Making fluffy rice is a sport. Somewhere. Do you eat rice a lot?
Every day, every meal. Every day, every meal. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
You eat rice for breakfast too?
Breakfast too, yes. Okay, everybody, come on over. No, mình chỉ tiền cái đại tài là được chú ý. Là một cứ nói chỉ ta chỉ cần xóa nhà nó bé cho chú ý sử dụng bé. Amen. Amen. Just eat hot dog if you want to.
So, was that a Hmong prayer?
Yes. It is very important that the whole family be together, standing around a dinner table before we all say grace, so that everybody have the same protection from God.
Yeah, I love ketchup. That looks good. This is great. And fresh fruit for dessert.
Hey, Buster, we're out of strawberries. Do you want to go and help the girls pick some?
Okay.
Be careful out there.
I'm just getting strawberries. No problem. But why did she say, be careful out there? You don't think she meant... Wait, did you hear that? No, Buster, get a hold of yourself. But I feel like I'm being watched by something hairy with 8 legs. Ah! What was that? Ah! Have to hide! Quick!
Say, Buster, what are you doing in there? There's no spider. Come on out. Let's go back to the barbecue. Come on, it's all right.
We've got lots of good food waiting. Come on, let's go.
I'm sorry, I didn't realize sooner this spider thing was such a problem.
But it's not a problem.
You were hiding in the Vang's chicken coop.
They were really nice about it, though.
The Vangs or the chickens?
Hey, is this the University of Wisconsin?
Carlos and Maura are rehearsing in one of the auditoriums here.
I thought Carlos and Maura were rehearsing over there.
They are. But first, we need to deal with this spider fear of yours face to face.
What do you mean?
I did some research. There's an entomology lab here on campus.
But I'm okay, I promise. You don't have to put my brain in the entomology machine.
Buster, what do you think entomology is? You must be Steve. I'm Bo, and this is Buster.
This is the museum. Come on in, Buster.
If I have to. I'm not really sure what entomology is.
Entomology is the study of insects.
Oh, wait a minute. There aren't insects in all these drawers, are there?
Absolutely. Over here, we have a drawer of related arthropods.
Arthropods?
Arthropods.
My best friend's name is Arthur. I'm glad he doesn't look like that. They all look really dangerous.
Whip scorpions from the jungles of Colombia, true scorpions with stinging tails, and spiders.
I'm kind of glad everything you have here is dead.
Well, we do have some live animals in another lab.
But not live spiders, right?
Why don't we go up and take a look?
Do we have to, Dad?
I think it's a good idea, Buster, and I'll be right by you the whole time.
Buster, this is Jenny.
Hi, Buster.
Hi, Jenny. Oh my gosh, what's that?
I have here a tobacco hornworm.
Is it trying to eat you?
These things will eat tomato plants, tobacco plants. Because his abdomen is all squishy, he can just keep eating and eating. He's like one big stomach.
Wow.
This human specimen we picked up from Earth is in his larval stage, so he's really just one big stomach.
Hey, Buster, we've come to rescue you.
But I don't want to be rescued. They're going to keep feeding me until I turn into a butterfly.
But Buster, you're never gonna turn into a butterfly.
I know that, and you know that, but they don't know that. Keep the sandwiches coming, boys. We're running a little low. Ah, what a life.
Hey, Buster. This is a Chilean rosehair tarantula.
Why isn't it biting you?
Because she doesn't perceive me as a danger. Tarantulas will warn you if they don't want to be bothered.
Do they ever get to be 100 feet tall?
No, never. Guaranteed.
So, are you trying to tell me to stop worrying about tarantulas?
These spiders have more to worry about from us than we have to worry about from them.
What do you mean?
They're endangered because their habitat is disappearing. We're cutting down their forests. The place that they live disappears so that they disappear as well.
Those poor spiders. It turns out they actually need our help.
I bet you never thought you'd be saying that about tarantulas.
It was great spending the day with you, Dad.
I was about to say the same to you, Sport. Maura, Carlos, is your rehearsal over?
You bet.
Then let's hurry back to the festival. I don't want to miss the dance competition. I need to get the final scene for my documentary.
Come over here. I just want to tell you guys something. This is the middle part. So you guys try to be in these two lines.
Here we are in the rehearsal room with the girls working on last-minute moves before the big event.
This is a very important night because this is the final round. So we'll find out who will win the dance competition.
This is it. 2 more dances will determine who goes home with the trophy.
First place is $1,000.
Maya in the middle, Maya.
Second place is $400.
Jocelyn.
And third place is $200.
This is the middle. This right here is the center, okay? So just come closer.
Wait, there isn't just a trophy, there's also money? If I were you, I'd be really nervous.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, but you have nothing to be nervous about. Really, it's just money and a trophy and a whole lot of people watching, and maybe I'd better stop talking.
They're very nervous. I can see that they're very, very nervous. Because some of them already forgot some parts.
Uh-oh. They're doing a really great job up there. How do they remember all those moves? It must help knowing they have so many family members in the audience supporting them. Mama, all right! Way to go! Woohoo! I'm gonna try to get an exclusive backstage interview. Hey, you guys were great!
Guess what, Buster? They played the wrong music.
What?
Yeah, it was supposed to be a Chinese version, but it happened to be an English version instead. But the girls still did a great job, so I'm still very proud of them.
Gosh, I didn't even notice. This competition stuff is really nerve-wracking. This is one of the rival groups. Wow, they're pretty good too.
We have one more dance. So I'm just gonna go right in there, tell the girls to come out, and then we're gonna perform.
Okay, here we go. They're now performing their last routine. You can cut the tension with a knife. Now they're doing the circle. And now the tricky reverse circle. Ah, beautiful execution. Those fans seem so different from when I first saw them. I thought they were just fans. Now I know they're part of the dance. There's one of the judges. Does she see a mistake in the fan work? Is she writing down a perfect 10? I bet they'll win. Wow, you were great.
I'm very proud. They did very good. I didn't see any mistakes.
Oh, I think the awards are about to be announced.
Okay, first place goes to Go Hmong.
Oh no, they didn't win.
Go Hmong.
The girl did a great job. They did an excellent job, even though they didn't win. They truly deserve one.
There will be always next year.
The most important thing is to try your best and do your best.
Don't feel sad or don't feel sorry. Come back next year if you don't get the title. All right? You all perform excellent. And thank you very much.
Good night, Buster.
Bye, Buster.
Bye. It was nice meeting you. Bye. Those girls sure are lucky. They took their loss so well because they have a whole clan supporting them. I'm hundreds of miles from my friends, and I don't even know where my dad is now.
Hey, Buster, I just bought up the rest of the egg rolls from the stand before it closed. Do you want to help me get through them?
Do I ever?
Oh, and you should listen to these messages on my cell phone. There's at least 6 or 7 from your friends.
Hey, there you are. Buster, there's this great Laotian music happening in the next tent.
Yeah, we don't want you to miss it.
Come on, Dad, let's go.
You can try to be alone, but whether young or fully grown, you can try, but I don't think you can. For wherever you might roam, even if you're far from home, you will always be part of a clan. For a clan is made up of people who love you. You, all your friends, your family. If your journey is far-flung or in Madison.
Hey, Buster, do you like salad?
Mom, your clan will have a part. They will be there in your heart.
Visit my very own Postcards from Buster website at pbskidsgo.org. It has games, recipes, songs, and my blog. That's my travel diary. And don't forget to visit your local library to continue the adventure.